years of flying with Delta. First officer is Jay Updike, a 10-year veteran of Delta. Captain Brilliant is journeying up the airplane now, and this will be an excellent opportunity to get some close-up pictures of us flying 757. Began as a passenger service in 1929, flying customers from Dallas Love Field in Jackson, Mississippi. In 1941, Delta moved its headquarters to Atlanta. It has seen the region literally take off and continue to expand operations around the globe. In fact, in 1978, Delta launched their first international flight from London, putting Atlanta on the world stage.